welcome back to MyGo Minds. So today let us learn how to write a program where you can find out if a given character is a vowel or a consonant. It's a very interesting program, guys. So before that, what is an vowel? We have been learning from our childhood. So it is nothing but the letters which represents an open sound, which is like starts with A, E, I, O, U. So those are called as vowels. Okay, so what do you mean by consonant? Other than vowels, every letter is called as a consonant. Okay, so let us identify the vowels in this. So A, I, U, because A, E, I, O, U. So among them A, I, U. We don't have D, K, Z. So what are the D, K, Z? Those are consonants. Okay, so now let us write the program. So it's very easy, guys. If you know the statements and the operators, you can write it off. So let us take a variable name ch and take the input from the users, and so that let us give enter a character. Okay, so now let us take a condition statement. If ch double equal to a. So let us write for the vowel. So let me copy this. ea double equal to a, or ea double equal to a e, or I, or o, or u. So what about the capital? We have to write for capital letters also. Or capital A, so just enter, or capital E, or I, O, or capital U. Okay, guys, so what if any of the conditions, or is something which we use, if any of the conditions are like becomes true, it will be true, or either this true, then it will execute, either this, it will execute. Okay, so in this case I wanted to print ch is a vowel. Ch is a vowel. Okay, so if not vowel, what? Consonant, right? So for that, else print ch is a consonant. Okay, so ch is a consonant. See, it's easy. So let me just execute this code. So run it, and it is asking for me a character. So yeah. So let me give a character. Let me check for vowel. A is vowel. So see, A is a vowel. Okay. So again I'll run it. So again, let's check for a consonant. Let me give H. So it's a consonant. So this is how you write a program where you can find out if a given character is a vowel or a consonant. Okay. So guys, so that's all about this program. So for more such programmatic based videos, so please do follow us on YouTube, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And also we do have our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. So please do go search for MyGo Minds and do follow us. Thank you so much.